My name is Sam Blackwell, and I am a senior program officer here at Greater Twin Cities United Way. So one of the biggest impacts of COVID-19 on our community is not actually health related, it is economic. While we are all trying to stay at home and businesses have had to close in order to prevent the spread of this illness, unemployment has more than doubled in our region. In June alone, our region lost 190,000 jobs, which means that hundreds of thousands of people in our community lost the income that they need in order to pay rent, in order to pay their mortgage, in order to buy food, access healthcare. And a vast majority of the folks who have lost their jobs were people who were already working for lower wages, which means that they're even more at risk for experiencing significant financial hardship in this time. The good news is that our government has expanded benefits for folks who are facing unemployment right now, at least until the end of the month. But applying for those benefits is incredibly complicated and difficult, especially for folks whose first language isn't English. That is why I am so thankful for Mid-Minnesota Legal Aid and for their unemployment insurance project. Thanks in part to your donations to the COVID-19 Response and Recovery Fund, MMLA is using their 100 years of experience providing legal resources for folks who can't afford them to help folks whose first language isn't English to apply for those needed benefits and to appeal any decisions. Making sure folks that get access to those unemployment benefits is helping make sure that they can pay for their housing, pay for food, and pay for other things that they need in order to stay safe and healthy. So I want to say thank you to MMLA for all of the work that they do and for their partnership with Greater Twin Cities United Way. But I also want to say thank you to you. Your donations to the COVID-19 Response and Recovery Fund are helping to make this work happen. We are so appreciative of your support, and we hope that you enjoy learning more about where your dollars are going.
My name is Aisha Servati, and I'm an assistant supervising attorney and director of the Low Income Taxpayer Clinic at Mid-Minnesota Legal Aid. Our LITC is located at MMLA's downtown Minneapolis office, where we serve the entire state of Minnesota with particular emphasis on those in the Greater Twin Cities area. Receiving this grant has allowed us to expand our services to meet the needs of our communities. We have been able to help the most vulnerable members of society gain access to the critical resource of economic impact payments.